Efficacy of inhaled exosome EXO-CD24 in severe ARDS. Background: acute respiratory distress syndrome (ARDS) is a major global health concern with a significant unmet need. ARDS is a major health concern with 3 million new cases annually. EXO-CD24 is delivered via inhalation-reduced cytokines and chemokine secretion and lung injury in ARDS and improved survival in mice models of ARDS, influenza, and sepsis. EXO-CD24 was designed as a targeted therapy for hyperactive immune systems in the context of ARDS induced by COVID-19. Objectives: this clinical paper aims to evaluate the potential of EXO-CD24, a novel immunomodulatory treatment, in the compassionate care of critically ill, intubated patients with post-infection-induced acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS. Methods: 11 critically ill patients diagnosed with post-infection ARDS, 10 with COVID-19 and 1 with an adenovirus-associated infection, were administered EXO-CD24 in 4 medical centers across Israel. The patients had multiple comorbidities, including cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and ischemic heart disease, and met the criteria for severe ARDS according to the Berlin classification. EXO-CD24 was administered via inhalation, and adverse events related to its use were carefully monitored. The analysis was performed simultaneously using an array-based multiplex ELISA system. Results: the administration of EXO-CD24 did not result in any recorded adverse events. The median hospitalization duration was 11.5 days, and the overall mortality rate was 36%. Notably, patients treated at the Tel Aviv Medical Center, TASMC, showed a lower mortality rate of 12.5%. The WBC and CRP levels decreased in comparison to baseline levels at hospitalization. And rapid responses occurred even in patients with kidney transplants who were off the ventilator within a few days and discharged shortly thereafter. The production of cytokines and chemokines was significantly suppressed in all patients, including those who died. Among the patients at TASMC, 4 had kidney transplants and were on immunosuppressive drugs, and all of them fully recovered and were discharged from the hospital. Conclusions: EXO-CD24 shows potential as a potential therapeutic agent for all stages of ARDS, even in severe intubated cases. Importantly, EXO-CD24 demonstrated a favorable safety profile without any apparent side effects with promising efficacy. EXO-CD24 has the potential to be a platform for addressing hyperinflammatory states, which needs further exploration. However, validation of these preliminary findings requires further research and larger-scale clinical trials. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.